her straight. Hold her head up and give her straight.
Okay. So that's the gas cap. If she has a twisted stomach, I'm going to hear it here. I'll get a ping over through there. Just like a basketball, when you bounce a basketball, you hear a ping, ping sound. When there's a lot of pressure, you'll hear that ping. You can tell between a gas cap, if you get a ping from a gas cap, you should be able to go in rectally and feel the rumen. If it's full of gas, that's probably from the rumen more than the, that's how you rule them out. If it's a collapsed rumen, if the rumen is just so empty, you get a ping sometimes, but you'll feel it rectally.
Okay.
No twist.
I got some work to do.
Yes.
So if you, I don't know, I'll leave you
Well,
alone.
she needs to go. She needs some calcium.
Okay.
She needs some Exenel or Triventric, whichever you want.
Excellent. Okay.
She needs some sugar. And I'm going to take a culture just in case I'm trying to figure where this is coming from. We might as well take a pre-culture for you. We'll culture her udder. I'll check to make sure she's clean as well.
Well, as far as I know, she had it.
Just in case that's the problem. Because she had twins, right?
No, she just had a single. But I just said,
You check for twins, that's right.
if you want to, you can teach it here all day, but
Yeah.
all I care. I can't figure it
No,
out.
exactly.
So, do you want to give her the balls and the vein and then carry on with doing whatever you want to do?
I'll just finish the exam on it.
Okay.
So if you leave that there, good. I'll let you go.
Well, I'll be in the shop. I just got to
Come up and tell you what's going on.
Yeah, I just got to work on my small box.
So what are you listening there?
I'm listening for a right displacement,
Okay.
so you'll get a large ping. Not every ping, not every sound on the right is a twisted stomach or displaced stomach. But if it goes in sufficiently, it goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, say 5 ribs, it's usually a displaced stomach. Sometimes you'll get a dilated cecum up through here. You'll get what they call an off-feed ping, sometimes just a little bit of gas going through. You'll get the small pings and pongs.
So in other words, if pink is heard here, that's a right displaced abomasum.
Especially if it's down here.
If pink
And
is heard there,
And if you go like this and what they call succussate, and you can hear it's like a big jug of water being sloshed around, then that's most likely a right twist, a large right twist.
okay. If you hear pink over there, that's a dilated cecum,
It
right?
could be a dilated cecum.
Okay. So what did they say there? Pneumocolon and pneumoperitoneal?
Yeah, sometimes you get a small bit of gas through there.
Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes you'll get small bits of gas. It'll disappear with time, or you can feel it rectally, the colon. A lot of it's confirmed by rectal exam. So a Withers pinch. A Withers pinch is where there's two ways to do it. One is you push down like that and you listen on the trachea for a grunt.
On the trachea.
On the trachea.
Okay.
Sometimes the cow will go down and you'll hear sound.
Okay.
The most predictable way for me to find hardware on a grunt test, my grunt test is different, is what I do is I'll listen to the trachea and then I hit the cow underneath, like this, on her chest.
Okay.
And if she's got a piece of metal in her chest, she'll grunt. It's not a big grunt, she'll just go like this. You'll just hear, it's not a, but just a little. And if it's, let's say the metal's here, it goes like this.
Oh, I see. But the point is you always listen, auscultate the trachea.
Trachea.
Okay.
Just be careful because the cow there's a lot of movement in the cow. She can move side to side, so be careful she doesn't jump on you. when you're working on her. Make sure she's secured. So what I do is go down here and listen. And I pinch them there too. I get test them both ways.
Okay.
And I don't hear anything. It's very subtle and it has to be repeatable. Okay.
Regarding corner block, has the same spot,
Yeah.
like for.
Well, we'll get her when I
Cuts.
tie her up. We'll show you.
Okay.
Giving a regional nerve block for. We'll have to review it, but you take a. There's two ways to do it. One is you take an 18 gauge needle, you go into the first rib here, and you go in and you deposit anesthetic on top and below.
You go that way.
Yeah. That's called a tip block.
So you go that way and under it.
Yeah, above and below.
Okay.
10 cc's per site.
Okay.
And then over here and over here.
Okay.
I think you skip one of them. I don't know. I never can remember, so I freeze them all. Because the nerves are coming down this way. So we'll review that on the in the book. But that's one way to go. The other way is you go in this way.
When you go behind or
Yeah.
caudally or cranially?
Yeah,
In
I'm not.
front of it?
Yeah, I think you go behind.
Behind.
I don't do that block, so I can't remember.
How deep?
That one you need a spinal needle. You need a longer, about 2-3 inches. To go,
So deep.
yeah, to go down, because it's further in, so there's more muscle. I don't do that block. I just do the this, because dairy cattle, most of them are like this, you know, very thin. So it's.
So which one do you do?
I go in here, a tip, what they call tip block,
Okay.
myself personally.
This is also paravertebral. That's a different approach
That's right.
to it.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll look that up on the Pasquini. We'll see.
Do you
if we
know
can-
when some people they do L?
Yeah. Like this.
But how do they go with needle? Like that and like that,
Yeah,
and
they go
pull
in
out.
and they go boop 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 boop, boop like that.
No. Do
Oh.
they go one, like that, or just insert it one way
Yeah.
and pull it back?
Yeah, but you need a long needle, so you go in, pull it back, in, pull it
Oh,
back,
I
in,
see.
you know, or put it in, 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 and then you boop 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 boop.
That one, what I was doing, I would go like that. At the site where I...
What they call
did
a
insert.
line block.
Okay.
A line block, and I use that all for years.
Okay.
Very simple block, works really well. You just freeze the area and you go and cut.